In this video, we're going to quickly go over how to set up your email for your Arts Admin program here at the University of Kentucky. First, we're going to take a look here at the account manager at the University of Kentucky. And to log into that, you just type in accounts.uky.edu in the URL. This will come up. You type in your LinkBlue username and password and hit enter, and then you're in. So two things we want to look at here. One is what your university of email address shows as, and this is not actually your address, but it's what people see, and when they send an email to that address, it will actually be delivered to your UK Google Apps account. So email delivery location must be set to UK Google Apps with this university email address. Now, the university email address, most people have first name dot last name at uky.edu, and that's a very good practice just to keep it as is. So your first name dot last name at uky.edu. So UK email exchange, I don't suggest that you activate this. You don't need to at this point. UK Google Apps for Education Edition, that should be activated as well, and I think everybody's done that, and that's the same email address is tied to your account as the Google Apps email up here. Microsoft Office 365, again, we don't recommend that you use this because you don't need it for our program. And so for those power users of Gmail or Google products who have multiple Google accounts, we're going to recommend that you download Chrome, the Chrome browser, because it has some really great features that you are going to be able to utilize to stay organized and keep your accounts separate, which I'll go over here in just a second. So you can go to Google and just type in the word Chrome browser, and it will take you to this page, and you can download it here. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about are user accounts in Chrome. Now, this is a great way for you to keep everything separated and stay organized with your different Gmail accounts. Some people have multiple Gmail accounts, and it can get a bit tricky when you start forwarding things and combining calendars and whatnot. So to create a new user account in Chrome, you have to click on this little hot dog, these three little hot dogs here, and go to settings. Scroll down here to where it says people, and you just want to add a person. Once you click on that, put your you can say UKY or put your UKY username in there. It's just a name, so you want to put a name in there that's going to differentiate it from your other accounts. So I'm just going to say UKY123. Click add. Now it's going to launch a new window, and it's going to ask you to sign in. So this is where you're going to want to sign in with your UK Gmail. So now when you sign in actually on this email, it's just like signing into Gmail. So we'll put our email, which is your LinkBlue at g.uky.edu. Then put the password in, and boom. It says, oh, this is already being used on this computer, which makes total sense because I already have a user account created for this. But once you do that, you'll now have the option to keep things separate. So when you are logged into Chrome, you'll see what user account you're in here. So you can switch between accounts by simply clicking on that and then clicking switch person, and you can launch into another account. Now it's completely separate. So everything that's related to this account is strictly held within this window, and everything that's held into this account is strictly held within this window. Now we're talking bookmarks, history, etc. So when I launch a calendar from this UKY account, I'm actually launching my UKY calendar. And when I launch my calendar from here, I'm launching my calendar associated with this. And that goes for every Google product related to this account is held within this window. And every Google product that I have tied to my university account is held within this. Okay, the last piece that we haven't talked about yet is Google Drive. So your UK Google Drive account is the one that you'll be linking to Canvas. So that's another reason why we want you to keep things separate, so that your UKY Google Drive is linked to Canvas, and that's where all your collaborations are going to happen between you, your instructor, and your classmates. One final one is YouTube. A lot of people like to upload videos, etc., to YouTube, and so you want to be using your UKY account as well, so everything's kind of tied together and easily accessible.